So a buddy of mine is talking about he wants this two-door, and I'm thinking about trading it. And the reason is, one, it's an old body. I'm not overly pleased about old bodies, and the reason for that is, you know, I think the 97 to 99 motors are better. Two-door, you know what, I think they're great cars, but I think that they miss a lot of the structural rigidity that some four-doors have, as in there's no rear door bars here, but that's easily fixed. Some other reasons are, I don't know, I think the two-door's cool, but he wants to trade me for something that I actually find more cool than a two-door. This is a very low kilometer motor, as you see, 168, but yeah, it's just your regular two-door Toyota Camry. You see what I mean by the inner door braces not being there, really? But he wants to trade me. And his has some damage and some rot. And this one has some damage and some rot. So, here's the damage on this one. As you can see, the front frame is kind of tweaked over a bit. So, as you guys know, I'm a front-end guy. And for front frame being damaged before I even run it is not really a big plus to me. It's actually a huge minus. So we're going to have to see about his. Now this car here that we're going to go take a look at is actually been here before. It actually spent a full winter in my garage. So be nice to have it back, kind of thing. We'll see if we can work out a trade. Who knows? But I don't know. You guys ready to go see what he wants to trade it for? Yeah, I'm ready too. We're just driving to my buddy's house right now, and the Lexus is having some issues. It's I read some of the codes. It says it needs variable valve timing oil solenoids. That's not a big deal. I got a motor at home I'm going to pull it off of. But I do want to show you this. Can you see what's hitting my windshield? It's snow. And it is April 14th right now, so the winter just does not want to let go of its grip. But oh well. We're gonna go take a look at the car that he wants to trade us, and I don't know. I think I want to do it. Both cars need work, that's for sure. The one I have has some issues in the front, and his has some issues in the back. But I think that it's going to be a trade that I really want to do. But I just wanted to tally in with the amount of snow that keeps coming down here. It is mid-April and it's snowing. It's supposed to be April showers, not April snow. Olive! Olive! You good girl! So here we are at a buddy's house. And the car that he wants to trade, stay out of there, Harley, there's probably skunks. The car that he wants to trade is not this one, not this one, not that one, not this one. Why would I want this one? That one. It's a little farther into his pile because it hasn't driven in a while. Oh, there it is. So he wants to trade my two-door for this. And the reason is because this has got some issues and my two-door's got issues, so he thinks that it'd be a perfect trade. Now you guys might remember this car. This was inside my garage for a full winter. And I gave it back to him nice and clean, and now it's filled with garbage again. So this runs and drives, and I do remember it being pretty clean up front, but I can't really get it open right now. But the reason why he's looking to get rid of it, I don't know if you guys can see this. Do you see that? The strut tower has come through the rear on the back. I think I can fix it. I really do. I think I can fix that enough for a demolition derby. The other side, he says, is almost just as bad, so I haven't even taken a look at it yet, but we will see. Can I open the hatch to get you a better view? Oh, look at that. The hatch opens. So here's the damage that has been done to this car. Look at the rot. I think I can fix that, to be honest. He says that side is almost just as bad, but we're gonna have to see once we get into this a little bit more to see if I can fix this. But I think I'm gonna do the trade. I really do. I want another wagon. To be honest, I really want to drive it, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna drive it or if I'm gonna smash it.